How can you be taken more seriously? In this video, I'm going to take you through some backdoor strategies and reframing ideas on how you can show up in a way that other people are going to take you more seriously. Hello and welcome. My name is Beate Chelette. I am the growth architect. I work with visionaries and leaders to help them grow their authority and scale their impact. Some of the things that I get asked a lot are sometimes very tactical questions, and they go around the way, what do I do when? And so I'm going to share with you one of the things that I use very frequently when I work with my private clients, when we work with our mastermind members, or when we are doing strategy work with some of our consulting clients. And the idea is that you want to be taken seriously, meaning you want somebody to see and hear you and hear your contributions. The first thing I recommend is do a personality assessment of some sort. I am a Myers-Briggs certified practitioner. I love Myers-Briggs. It allows you to learn about yourself and about other personalities and understand on whether you're an introvert, an extrovert, whether you are ruled by emotions, by feelings, or you're a thinker, you're intuitive. These are all things in the first step of awareness to learn about yourself. Once you know who you are, you adjust your strategy on how you show up accordingly. I don't think it is wise for somebody who is not a natural extrovert and wants to run up to the stage and grab a microphone to teach you how to do that. We rather have to find a strategy that works for you. So for example, when you are in a meeting and you are an introvert and other people have a tendency to just rule the room, but you have something to say, use the same method that Jeff Bezos did at Amazon, which means there was no PowerPoint allowed. Nobody got to talk before they didn't read the handout that was given at the beginning of the meeting. So everybody would operate from the same set of data. Have it written down, hand it out, say, this is so important to me that I want everybody to operate from the same set of data. And I'm going to give you 60 seconds or 2 minutes to read it. And then I want to talk about X. So now you have established authority and you are growing your authority, which is what I help you with, and you are being taken seriously. Another thing, when somebody throws you a curveball or tries to rattle you, you have to understand that a lot of these pieces are strategies that other people are following. It is on you if you are falling for their strategy. Like to throw you off is a strategy. To make you look like a rambling idiot is a strategy. To ask you a completely idiotic question is a strategy. It is designed to make you feel inferior, stumble, pull back so that this other person can take a top spot. You cannot allow to do that. So my tip, my number one favorite tip of all tips is this. You literally say it. You say, and then you pause. And you either do laugh, like you go, okay, and you move on. You completely ignore it. Because if you give it fire, you just lost. Or you go, that's a very interesting point. Let's put that in the parking lot, and you and I will discuss it later. But it's important for you to always be in charge. If you want to be taken seriously as a leader, on whether you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, a founder, a startup, you are wanting to step into leadership, the most important part is you're always in control. And if you want to be in control, you're in control of the conversation, and how other people can make you feel is on you, not on them. They only win if they succeed. I hope this helps you. This is Beate Chelette, the Growth Architect. And for more tips, please go and listen to our show, the Business Growth Architect Show, that is full of strategies on Apple, iTunes, Spotify, or anywhere else that you pick up your podcast. Thank you so much for listening and watching. This is Beate. Goodbye.